Let me guess. You've tried everything they told you. Post consistently, learn ads, build a website, create content, engage daily. But your business? Still stuck, still overwhelmed, still not growing the way it should. Here's the hard truth. Small business today is a game of speed, automation, and attention. And if you're still doing everything manually, you're already 10 steps behind. But here's what they're not telling you. There's a secret weapon that smart business owners are quietly using to outpace their competition. And no, it's not a new social media trend. It's AI. Yes, AI. The same tech behind viral brands, seven-figure launches, and entrepreneurs who are scaling without big teams or budgets. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use 20 powerful AI tools to start, build, and grow your business like a machine. This isn't theory. This is practical, step-by-step, plug-and-play AI marketing that will save you time, money, and mental burnout. So if you've ever said, I don't have the budget, I don't have the team, or I'm doing it all myself, this video is for you. Because from this moment on, you won't just be a small business owner, you'll be a smarter one. Let's start with why the old way of doing business is officially over. Let's be real. Traditional marketing was built for a different world, a world where you needed billboards, flyers, cold calls, and a chunky ad budget just to get noticed. A world where results took months, not minutes. But that world, dead, gone, buried. Today, attention spans are short, platforms move fast, and algorithms change overnight. If you're relying on outdated methods, you're not just wasting time, you're losing business. Here's what small businesses are waking up to. The old way is slow, expensive, and often guesswork. The new way? AI-powered marketing that's fast, smart, and insanely scalable. Imagine writing 10 social media posts in seconds, designing a logo without hiring a designer, or launching an entire email campaign before your coffee even cools. That's the new game. And AI is the engine behind it. It's not just about replacing tasks. It's about multiplying what one person can do. So your one-person business can feel like a full-blown agency. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to know the right tools and how to use them the smart way. So let me walk you through the AI business growth blueprint. The 3 key stages every small business needs to master. Start, build, and grow. And for each stage, I'll give you powerful AI tools you can start using today. No fluff, no theory, just pure strategy. Let's kick things off with the first stage. Start, from idea to identity. Okay, so you're fired up about AI, but maybe you're thinking, where do I even start? Which tools actually work? How do I use them without wasting time learning a bunch of techie stuff? I've got you. I've broken everything down into a simple, no-fluff system called the AI Business Growth Blueprint. It's the same roadmap smart solopreneurs and small business owners are using right now to turn chaos into clarity and hustle into actual growth. Here's how it works. Stage 1, start. Got an idea but don't know how to bring it to life? This is where we craft your brand, your message, your identity, with AI doing the heavy lifting. Stage 2, build, time to set up systems. AI helps you create killer content, build your site, automate the boring stuff, and start showing up like a pro, even if you're still working from your kitchen table. Stage 3, GROW. This is where we scale. We're talking visibility, traffic, conversions, and turning curious scrollers into loyal paying customers without burning out or hiring a full team. And the best part? I'm handing you 20 insane AI tools across these 3 stages, tools that are actually working right now in real businesses. No gatekeeping, no fluff, no filler, just what you need. So grab your notes, save this video, and get ready, because we're about to start with stage 1, how to bring your business idea to life with AI. Let me walk you through 5 powerful ways AI turns your idea into something real, recognizable, and ready to launch. 1. Business idea validation. Before you invest time or money, ask, is this something people actually want? With tools like Validator AI or Idea Note, you can test your idea instantly. They break it down, show you risks, potential demand, and even tell you if your niche is saturated. No more guessing, just data-backed decisions. 2. Naming and domain tools. Stuck trying to name your brand? Spent hours thinking and everything's taken? Use tools like Namelix or Brandmark's Name Generator. They use AI to mix creativity with availability, spitting out brand-worthy names that actually have domain names free. It's like having a branding expert in your back pocket. 3. Logo and brand identity generators. Now, let's make it look real. Tools like Luca, Zyro, and Brandmark let you generate logos, color palettes, and even full brand kits based on your vibe and mission. Just input a few keywords and boom, your brand starts to take visual shape in minutes. 4th, market research AI assistants. Why spend weeks manually digging for insights when AI can do it while you sip coffee? Use tools like ChatGPT, Crayon, or Morphel to analyze trends, customer behavior, and even competitor strategies. You'll know what your audience wants, what they fear, and how to speak their language without hiring an agency. 5. Elevator pitch and mission statement builders. This is the part most people skip and regret later. Your message is everything. AI tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, or ChatGPT with custom prompts can help you craft a mission statement, elevator pitch, and brand voice that actually connects. Because if you can't explain what you do in one sentence, your customer won't stick around for 2. Here's the mindset shift. You're not just starting a business, you're launching a brand with tools that give you momentum on day 1. And the best part? You didn't hire 5 different experts to get here. You just used AI wisely. Now that your idea has a name, a look, a voice, and a clear purpose, it's time to move to stage 2, build, where the real systems and content creation magic begins. You've got the idea, you've crafted the brand. Now it's time to build the engine behind it. This is where your business stops being a concept and starts becoming a living, working system that runs even while you sleep. And guess what? You don't need a massive budget or a full team. And once you've got these systems working behind the scenes, you're ready for the final stage where visibility turns into momentum and momentum into sales. 1. AI ad generation and targeting tools. Think ads are still something you need a whole marketing department for? Think again. With tools like AdX AI or Lumen 5, you're not just creating ads, you're creating magnetic, hyper-targeted campaigns. AI reads your audience, understands their deepest needs, and crafts ads that speak to them on a personal level. It's like having a seasoned marketer 24/7, making sure your ads get to the right people at the right time. Smart ad spend, zero guesswork. 2. Video marketing and repurposing tools. If you're still making one video and posting it everywhere, you're missing out. Enter Pictory and Repurpose.io, tools that turn your content into a video marketing powerhouse. Imagine this. You create one podcast or long-form video. These tools magically turn it into multiple bite-sized videos for your social media, each optimized for a specific platform. Now your content is everywhere, engaging with a wider audience without you having to double your workload. That's scaling without burnout. 3. Predictive analytics and customer behavior tools. Imagine if you could predict your customer's next move. Sounds like magic, right? Well, with tools like LeadSpace and Lattice, it's science. These tools don't just track past behavior, they forecast what your customers will do next. Want to know when your leads are ready to buy? Predictive A. I has the answer. Want to know when they might drop off? It'll show you that too. 4. AI, SEO, and content optimization. Platforms forget the old grind of keyword stuffing and hoping for the best. AI platforms like Surfer SEO and Phrase dig deep into search trends, competitor performance, and audience interests. They don't just give you top keywords to stuff into your articles. They show you exactly how to create the kind of content that gets shared and ranked. You get a game plan for dominating search rankings without spending hours on research. Now, you've got everything you need to start, build, and grow. You have the tools to go from idea to launch, and from launch to dominating your market. Are you ready to put these tools into action and take your business to the next level? 1. AI-powered personalization tools. 2. AI-driven dynamic pricing tools. 3. AI for voice search optimization. Now that you've got all the AI tools you need, here's your action plan to kick things off this week. 1. Pick your first tool. Don't overthink it. Pick one tool from each stage. Start. Try a brand name generator. Build. Set up an AI content tool. Grow. Use an AI ad targeting tool. 2. Set it up and integrate. Get these tools up and running in less than a day. No need to be perfect, just start. 3. Monitor and adjust. Track the results and adjust. AI's power is in real-time feedback, so pay attention. Now it's time to take action. Comment below and let me know which tool you're starting with. Subscribe for more AI tips to scale your business. Check the description for a cheat sheet and AI toolkit to fast-track your success. Start now and watch your business take off with AI.